Breaking news, Nigerians. EMEFIELE'S case worsens as DSS, Attorney General, tag him risks factor before court. See their reason. That got everyone talking. Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for this coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. In a recent development surrounding the case of the suspended Central Bank of Nigeria CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele, the Department of State Service DSS has made a bold assumption. During a hearing at the Federal Capital Territory High Court, the secret police presented their submission claiming that if granted bail, Emefiele would likely attempt to flee the country. The DSS clarified that Emefiele's current detention was in accordance with an order from a competent court. They further stated that he had been apprehended based on reasonable suspicion of committing several serious offenses, including criminal breach of trust, incitement to violence, criminal misappropriation of public funds, economic sabotage, economic crimes of national security significance, and undermining the security of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Emefiele, who finds himself in the midst of this legal battle, is challenging his detention by the DSS. He alleges that the secret police have prevented him from meeting with his family members and lawyers. However, the DSS argues that he has been granted the opportunity to see his family even prior to the filing of the lawsuit. During the hearing, the Attorney General of the Federation also supported the DSS stance, emphasizing that granting bail to Emefiele poses a flight risk. Both the DSS and the AGF presented separate counter affidavits in response to Emefiele's fundamental rights enforcement suit, reiterating their position against granting him bail. The AGF's affidavit stated that the grants, that is the OAGF affidavit stated that the grants for Emefiele's arrest and detention did not involve issues of terrorism financing or fraudulent activities. They emphasized that his life was not in danger and there has been no violation of his right to life. Additionally, they highlighted that the applicant had not been subjected to any torture contrary to his claim. Representing the OAGF, the senior advocate of Nigeria, Tijani Gazelle, requested the court to dismiss Emefiele's suit, asserting that his allegations of unlawful detention was baseless. Following the arguments presented by the involved parties, Justice Hamza Mazu adjourned the case until July 13, when a ruling is to be made. As this legal battle continues to unfold, the fate of Godwin Emefiele remains uncertain. The allegations against him are weighty, and the court's decision on whether to grant him bail will undoubtedly have significant implications for the ongoing investigation and the Nigerian financial sector as a whole. The nation eagerly awaits the court's ruling, which will shed further light on the complex and intriguing case. Meanwhile, Sahara Reporters has reported that Godwin Emefiele, the suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, who is currently in the custody of the Department of State Service, has identified some traditional rulers, Nigerian army generals and judges as his compliance. Sahara Reporters learned from DSS source. Emefiele, who is said to be cooperating with investigators, reportedly narrated how he gave money to monarchs, Nigerian army generals, and judges at some point or the other during his time in office. The suspended CBN governor has been in detention along with Abdurrahid Bauer, the suspended chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), after both of them were suspended from their respective offices by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration over corruption allegations and abuse of office. Sahara reporters on June 15 reported how EMEFIELE'S name Bauer as an accomplice in the Naira redesign scam that rocked the country some months ago. Sahara reporters had learned that Emefiele and Bauer, both undergoing interrogation, were being quizzed on sundry issues including the Naira redesign scam. Giving Sahara reporters updates on Wednesday, DSS source claimed that Emefiele was revealing alerts and had named some top accomplices in his management of the country's Apis Bank. As per Emefiele, he is cooperating with investigators and revealing alerts. Emefiele cooperated and bribed almost every major traditional ruler, army generals, some judges and clerics, one of the sources reviewed. Nigerians, this is really getting tough, and Nigerians are eagerly waiting to see how this will end. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you for coming out here. Bye for now.